Hello and good afternoon. We are here with everything that you need to know right before the US stock market rings the bell. South Korea's Samsung Electronics turned in its best April-June profit since 2018 on Thursday, underpinned by strong sales of memory chips to server customers, even as demand for inflation-hit smartphone makers cools. The strong quarter for Samsung comes at a time when other chip makers have warned of a looming chip glut at customers who stocked up during the pandemic to meet higher demand for people working from home. Chip makers including Micron and AMD have also recently signaled waning demand as red-hot inflation squeezes spending. The Chinese company Xiaomi has produced its first batch of smartphone in Vietnam as it seeks to expand its foothold in Southeast Asia. Vietnam has in recent years become a regional manufacturer hub for global electronic makers. The export value of smartphones from the country mostly produced by Samsung Electronics. Xiaomi said that the first batch of its smartphone made in Vietnam has been sent to a local distributor, adding it would soon export smartphones to other South Asian countries. Taiwan's Foxconn, the world's largest contract electric maker, raised its first full-year business outlook on Monday thanks to strong sales of smartphones and servers, despite concerns of slowing demand due to the rising inflation. Like other global manufacturers, the Taiwanese firm has grappled with severe shortage of chips, which have hurt smartphone production, including its major client, Apple, due to COVID-19 lockdown in China. But the company said in a statement late on Monday that June sales jumped 31% from a year before to a record high for the month, thanks to appropriate supply chain management and raising sales of customer electronics. Smartphones make up the bulk of its revenue. China has announced a raft of new steps to spur customer demand for cars, saying it would consider extending a tax break for electric vehicles and outlining plans to build more charging stations and encouraging lower charging fees. The world's largest car market has been hit hard in recent months by strict lockdown in Shanghai and other parts of the country to curb the spread of the Omicron coronavirus variant. The halving of the tax have helped the market rebound, with June passenger car sales jumping 22% from a year earlier to 1.9 million units, according to preliminary data from Auto Association. EV sales soared 130% to 546,000 units last month, while sales for market leaders BYD more than tripled to 134,000. The Commerce Ministry statement did not make a mention of any extensions or subsidies for what China calls new energy vehicles, a program that has been credited with supercharging the sector's growth. Saratoga Investment came out with quarterly earnings of 0.53 per share, missing the consensus estimate of 0.55 per share. Saratoga Investment, which belongs to Sachs Financials, posted a revenue of $18.68 million for the quarter ended May 2022, missing the consensus estimates. This is it. That's all we have for you today. Soon Wall Street bell will ring and a new trading day will start. We are MEXEM TV and we will be here again, same place, same time. Goodbye.